Hi friends, welcome to my channel Savio Nursing Tutorials. I think all of you are filled the vacancy of NORCET. I think 2000 plus around 3000 vacancies are there in NORCET. So prepared well and you should definitely get the seat and you should definitely get the job also. Prepared well and some of our group members are asked for what are all the facilities, how we will choose the aims, what are all the things we are consider while we are choosing the aims, and such questions are very difficult to answer because this is the first preference is the personal preference. It is depend upon the person. Some persons likes and dislikes are very different from others. Now I am in AIMS Patna, so I can able to tell some points regarding the aims, and that may be helpful for you during the selection of aims. So first, according to girls, the stay is the first priority thing. Boys also, many of the aims doesn't have a hostel facility till now. Some of the new forming aims, I mean newly developed aims, have hostel facilities and quarters facilities, but the oldest ones doesn't have a hostel facility. While I am joining in 1 year ago, we didn't have facility in the aims. We found outside stay for rent. So those who are selecting AIMS Patna, AIMS Delhi, AIMS Bhopal, I know these three aims have outside facility. This job matlab jo candidates got job in these aims have no hostel facilities. They are arranging their stay in outside the aims, outside the campus for rent. For rent, we will got so many flats in Patna. It is available from 8,000, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK according to our preference. If 2 to 3 members are together, also can get rooms, get flats. So it will be not a burden for finding a stay in aims. Some aims have hostel facilities. So before, if you are like that, you want to stay inside the campus, prior to choose the aims, you want to search whether the hostel facilities, quarters facilities is available in aims. Then only you can choose the aims. The second one is the hometown aims. That means if an aims is in your hometown, it is better you want to choose that one, because a new place is very new to all of you. Matlab, when we are choosing a new place, we have to adjust with that place. So many aims many of the states have aims. So if your aims is in your hometown, in your home city or home state, you can choose that one only. Food preference, for the south people, it is difficult to find a good food places in north, and the food items are also different. In the hotels also, many of the hotels are providing South Indian and North Indian separately. Foods items are also available, but for the first periods it will be difficult to find a good food places in north. Salary is, as we all know, the basic will be given for our every aims, and the allowances will be slight changes in their allowances, but the minimum and on average we can expect 72,000 monthly. Then duty hours of the aims may different in half a 1 hour in each aims, but mainly in aims Patna, I can say 8 to 2 first duty, 2 to 8 second duty, 8 to 8 night duty. Also general shift facility also available in aims Patna. That means without night we can take duty, the duty hours are 8 to 4 for morning shift or 12 to 8 for evening shift. There is no night duty in shift duty. It is only about AIIMS Patna. But remaining AIIMS may change with half an hour, 1 hour differences may present. That way, only 3 shift facilities there in all AIIMS. 3 shift facility. Then others, I think family accommodation. In some AIIMS, for the newly opening AIIMS, there may be chances to get quarters for the new joiners. So they can accommodate their family also. Otherwise, you just want to join first, then found a good flat or good place for living, then you can bring your family with you. For I think for a newcomer, it will be take time to adjust with the new situation and new place, new food items, new customs. So it will be affect the family also. So first you come and adjust with the place and be stable, then you can bring the family. This is my personal choice. Then about the leave facility, we have HCL in an year, 30 EL in an year, also 8 off in a month. This is the common leave format for an AIIMS. Regardless of that, maternity leave, child care leave, 10 sick leave per year with a full pay, and 20 sick leave with a half pay in an year. These facilities are available. Then EHS facility. EHS facility is available for the family members for all AIIMS, and ladies or the girls can include their husband's mother and father, or either their own mother and father. These are 2 facilities there. These are all the common things you want to know about the AIIMS. Regardless of that, nothing is special. Okay, this I think if I have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or any questions also you can ask in the comment box. Girls and boys, study well and you definitely got one job in AIIMS. And duty facilities also very good in AIIMS. Also patient staff ratio is also good. There are adequate staff in AIIMS for duties, and the facilities are also good. So you can prefer AIIMS, you can choose AIIMS, and according to your personal preferences and the above mentioned things. Okay, have a good day. Bye. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. I will answer. Okay, bye.